day passed, and for some reason I thought it would be a very wise idea to drive to a new location, take the time lapse, take the footage, take the photos, and then start talking to the camera afterwards as a little recap. But that turned out to be a total disaster, because once I was done with taking all the footage, the bad weather suddenly kicked in with strong wind and heavy rain. In Iceland you have to go with the weather. It's because it's often very bad weather. So whenever there's good weather, you have to use it. That place I've been at is very popular amongst photographers, and actually I was surprised that there would be so many people lining up for the photo. There's just this one very specific spot where you see the waterfall in the front with the river. When I leave Iceland, I definitely won't miss the weather. I'm looking forward to warmer places and less windy places. Places where you can actually vlog like a normal human being. This might be the biggest forest in Iceland, but what do? They chop it down. Well, that's unfortunate. You barely find trees in Iceland, very rarely. The location that I shot earlier, that is called the Kirkjufell, the mountain Kirkjufell, and the waterfall Kirkjufell Foss. Makes sense, right? So I made it to the final destination for this vlog. It's that thing there, this rock with the two arches in the ocean, right next to the beach. I've seen very nice images with that thing, also with the aurora above it and sunset, sunrise, whatever. It did look nice, but in nature it doesn't look that spectacular. I don't know. In New Zealand there's a rock that looks very similar to this one with two arches. It's located at the north of the South Island. I think it's called Waikiki Beach, something like that. Found there many awesome images with that mountain Kirkjufell. I saw this image here, and yeah, that pretty much means no matter what you do at that location and no matter what the weather's like, you will never beat that image with that aurora. Impossible. That's just perfectly aligned, perfectly shaped. I don't know about his foreground. It's not that well composed, I would say. He probably could have done that better, but he was really lucky with the sky. He probably shit his pants right on location when he saw that thing.